Thank you. Thank you. Did you cut him off behind me? Don't do it. Use the climbing lane, you shit. Jesus Christ, dude. How's your alignment or what? Thank you. Thank you so much. It's so nice of you to speed up where I'm trying to merge. Couldn't even move over a lane. Getting off here? No. No. For him, you move over. Thank you so much. Pay attention to the signs, stupid. Evolved mechanical. How about evolving and driving? Yeah, T-stop. Pick up, that's for sure. Yes, Toyota. It's definitely not a stop. And you know why. You ran the red light. Please don't cut me off. So that was cut off. Jesus. That was a cut off. Haha. Bye. Now you can get off my ass, thank you. Truck and I'm supposed to be in this left lane. Yeah, and there she goes again. Jump, jump, jump to it. Hello, hello, hello! What? Yeah, someone cheated the red light. I just made the green light. Toyo turd. That's a scumbag move. And exit dive. Yeah. Yep. Did you miss the yield sign? Oh God. That was a cutoff. Are you exit diving? You're exit diving. I'm a Muppet. Get off my ass. Shake your head at me like I'm the problem. You two with me hanging around. Oh, nowhere to come down. You even right behind me? You stop National Grid! Hey! Cut off. Yeah! That's the front. One per customer, stupid. Lady, come on. Am I gonna make this? I just made it. I think you may have run it.